What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and this is yet another part to my little detailing tour of what I have. So we had just done videos on my shampoo, my foaming products, my rinseless washes. Now we're going to be talking about my interior cleaners and conditioners, and just giving a quick overview of what I have for those specific products. And I might look inside. I think I have my leather creams down there too. I didn't even pull them out, but we're gonna give a quick glance. But what we have here is a mishmash collaboration of Muttville is what I would like to call this. Now we're just gonna, like I said with the other videos, we're gonna show you what I have, what you see the names and the bottle, so you can go, oh my god, look at that, and then I'll explain possibly something on each one if I feel like there's anything to say. This product I waited forever for. The bottle broke and I didn't feel like waiting for a new bottle. So this is Jion's interior detailer. For the longest time when it first came out, it was just like not available, and everybody was talking hype Lord Central, meme hypes everywhere, and it was just like, oh yeah, this is such a great product and it's so awesome. I wanted to get it, and I ended up getting another bottle somewhere. I think there's a special area here. Okay, so this is the bottle, the secondary bottle. It's actually overfilled. I actually used that bottle to refill this once I was done with the first one. So I've got some experience with this product. I really like it. It's definitely a reorder type product if it's in stock. Very good, safe on everything, wipes off clean, doesn't leave a residue, which is very important for me when it comes to interiors. That's something I stress. I do not like weird, sticky substances. I like it to be nice and smooth. I don't like a lot of things left on the surface. I just want it to be doing its job. Clean it, move on. That's it. Hyper clean. Lots to say about this company, including their coatings at some point, but I got sucked into this whole, here, buy my 32-ounce bag. It's going to make like 5 gallons of product. And I did it. I did it for their soap, which I didn't talk about in the last video, but I did it for their soap. I did it for their interior cleaner, their wheel cleaner, their degreaser. Not a bad interior cleaner. Would I buy it again? I probably will never need to buy it again for the rest of my life because I have 5 gallons of it, and I don't think it's a buy again even if I went through the 5 gallons. It's just a good, you know, if I want to use it on someone's interior that I don't really like, I guess. I don't know. This, I have 2 bottles. Why do I have 2 bottles? I dropped this one time on a story. Everybody laughed at me. Do I think it's like a earth-shatteringly good product? No. I just like the smell of it, and I like how it goes on. It's a leather mist, so it cleans, conditions, and protects. It's just a regular all-in-one. It's a good product. The turtle wax products are pretty good. The new stuff's pretty good. I would buy this again. Obviously, I have the second bottle just because the smell and the usage of it is good. I like it. It's not, like I said, anything earth-shatteringly amazing. This stuff, leather cleaner, I think most leather cleaners, in my opinion, are going to be about the same. I bought this stuff. I used it a couple times, and it's not bad. I wouldn't buy it again, but it's not bad. What I would buy, especially if I was like budget conscious, would be the Maguire's leather cleaner, the MD181. This stuff's good, concentrate, and it's good stuff. You can dilute it and you can control a lot with it. Now again, like I said in a previous video, I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the chemical guy stuff, but it just seems like products like this is where they invade me. I know a lot of people have them for their shampoos, and especially, God help us, the quick detailers and polishes. I don't even know why you would use their polish compounds, but it is what it is. They have a leather cleaner here, pH balance. It's not horrible. It's just a whatever. Wouldn't buy again. Now this stuff, this is a 50-50 for me, okay? It's got this leather smell. Whether you believe it's a real leather smell or not, it smells close, decent to leather. It's not bad, and it's a quick spray. So if you don't want to like deep clean your leather, you just want to wipe it down, get rid of any little bit of gunk that might be on it, and then have a scent. Good product for that. All in one, maybe a buy again, possibly, potentially. This stuff I like. You can mist this on everything. Again, the Turtle Wax product, you can mist this on screens and everything, wipes it free of streaks. It's good. Now, let's start talking about this. Glove Box Detail came out with this whole system of these reusable pods. Look at the foaming in this thing from a quick shake. Look at that. Holy Christ, looks like a bomb about to go off. So this is their clean scent refill. Hold on, we're gonna get there. For their interior cleaner. I really like the smell of their new products and the use of their new products. Very cool. One of my favorite ones now. This was a recent addition. One of my favorite quick detail products for the interior, period. Just that one, the Jion, those are my two go-tos, followed probably closely by the Turtle Wax. Really like it. Let's jump to these two. I think I got these in glove boxes or something came. This one came on a glove box. It's a foaming tip, so it has some use. The Atoms, they make, like I said, across the field, you know, regular products. Now, just want to talk about this real quick. I can, because it's my video. I really like this for leather. You can get a good squeeze on it. You can use this in case you got a little bit of a stain, or a little bit, you want to get a little bit more aggressive on there. Works out pretty good. Now, when it comes to good leather cleaners, these two are my favorite. I've got Color Lock, mild cleaner, gentle cleaning. I don't really go aggressive with leather cleaners ever. If it takes something more than a mild cleaner, I'm probably not the guy for it, unless it's my car, then I'll try it. But if it's like a customer's car, I'm probably not going to go too crazy on it. But I really, really love this product for leather cleaner, the Jion mild leather cleaner. That they have a more aggressive version of this one, which I probably will pick up just to have it. But one of my favorite leather cleaners, the smell, the use, everything. Can't really go wrong with it. I've had this forever, this interior leather cleaner. Like I said, run-of-the-mill, same type of stuff. P&S Express, I think this is definitely a buy again type thing. You can dilute it down a little bit if you want, cleans the leather, and it's just an overall solid all-in-one interior type product. Same thing with the CarPro Inside. I would edge it and say P&S is better than this. Probably wouldn't buy this again, except the sprayer I like on this one. This is local. Obviously, everywhere. Mcguire's leather detailer. Cleans, restores, protects. I think this all-in-one probably outs the chemical guys, and I would have this instead. Now, I started a long time ago my detailing journey cleaning my leather interior with this product. Probably a lot of people don't even have this, never even heard of it. Ultimate Interior Shampoo Gel. Is it leaps and bounds better than any of the other ones on here? Probably not even close. But I've started with it, and if it's still available when I'm actually done with this bottle, I'll buy it again, just because it's just an OG for me. It's an OG for me. It's going to stay there. Now, the scent of this interior cleaner is why I keep it, so much so that I actually like that scent. I believe this one. Okay, so they have an odor control product, an air freshener product of that same scent. I actually like it sometimes if it's not overused. Now, the next car I was going to order was supposed to have an Alcantara or slash suede type steering wheel and shifter. Bought this, and I'm not getting that car anymore. It's good for Alcantara, so obviously I have it. Good cleaner, solid cleaner. Now, let's talk about the Atom stuff. I got this on a glove box detail, and it smells like whatever, but it's there. Would not buy again. These two, okay? The scents are why I have these Chemical Guys interior cleaners. Do I feel like they do much of anything? No. So this is like a more of a pineapple-y smell, and this one smells like baby powder. So like on a female's type car, I would lean toward this one more because it smells more soft and nice. It smells good. It smells like something that my wife would like, and I put that on her car. Now this one, since the pandemic, I had bought Adam's stuff for interior because it had microban. Very important if you look up microban. I actually have their other product here. 24-hour sanitizing spray. I had purchased a bunch of that stuff right before things started dwindling down on shelves and everybody freaked out and the world went to hell. I like Microban. Whether or not there's a significant amount in that cleaner to make any sort of difference whatsoever when it comes to cleaning the interior, I don't know, but during the whole pandemic, I cleaned my interior after every couple days. I wiped everything down, especially if we went to like a supermarket, because, you know, we were freaked out in the beginning. I went through and I cleaned everything down, and if it gave you a little bit of a peace of mind, I had 2 kids at the time, you know, we don't know what's going on. If it gave you a little bit of a peace of mind, it was worth it. It smells decent. It's got that clean cotton smell, so it's not like some overly sweet baby powder or pineapple type smell that some of these have. It was a good, solid smell. If it cleaned and it disinfected at the same time, it was good. It was worth it. But this is what I have. This is what I have. This is what I use for my interior stuff. Now, as far as like leather conditioner type stuff, I do have a few options. I have Jion leather coat. I have Jion leather shield too, which is like a coating for the leather. I've used that on a couple vehicles. Very solid product. Dr. Beasley's leather cream. Smells good, goes on nice, and it's a solid product. Okay, this has been a absolute go-to. The Maguire's Ultimate Leather Balm. Very cool. Would buy that again. This, wouldn't buy again. Very strange. I forget where the hell I even got this from. It smells like something I wouldn't even consider leather. Is there a reason I keep it? I have no idea, to be honest with you. The Adams leather conditioner smells a lot like leather. Like, I don't know why, so I would keep it. This one, I forget if I bought this or it came in a box. I don't know why. I've never used it, and I haven't. I don't know. I have to try it so I can get an opinion on it, but I have it. It's here, and I don't know anything about it. This I used on this BMW M that I detailed, and it went on pretty good. It did the job. The leather felt good, and it didn't feel greasy or sticky, so this is by Detail Firm. It wasn't too bad at all. And I believe the last one is here. Interior Detailer Conditioner by Inner Space. Lithium makes this one. I don't like these sprayers. As you can tell, they crack. You can see a big crack there. I'm not a big fan of that. So, yeah, that's what I have. We also have this product. If you bought the regular size bottle by CarPro Fabric, it's a water and stain resistant thing. So it's like this Scotch Guard. If you want to spray that on the fabric, so it helps keep it more hydrophobic. If you spill something on there, it might help in the long run. Good product to have. Very pricey. I don't even know where I got that sample from, but the actual bottle itself's like closing in on $60 or something like that. Solid product. I don't know about the price making the value worth it, but it's there. I have it. I also have this. This is Carbon Collective. This is a fabric protectant, very much like the CarPro, except not quite the price tag. I have not used this yet, so we will see. I probably will try and use this and maybe do a comparison to the CarPro fabric. Probably a later video idea. Another thing that I got bullied into purchasing just recently, which I will be doing videos on, Carbon Collective Nuovo interior detailer. Apparently it's got some SiO2 thingamajiggers happening here. Apparently it's got a really good finish, not a lot, and it goes a long way type product, but apparently everybody keeps saying about protectant and the finish, and you know, I'm all about the new stuff, so I will be trialing this and I will be doing videos on all of these products. So that's what I have. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate your support. And we're going to keep on chugging along here. Got quite a bit. Almost done. Well, yeah, that's it. Done with the top shelf. There's so much more to do. Holy shit. See you guys on the next one.